I was committed to coming to this event because I know the most important thing is to actually get in the room, to rub shoulders with the people that are where you want to be. And I mean, I'm at a certain level already. I've achieved some level of success, but there's always somebody that knows more. And when I can get around that energy, that's what takes you to the next level.
Here's the thing I love about Arturo Johnson. There's very few authentic people who actually deliver what it is that they're telling you that they can deliver.
I've been in the life insurance space for going on 3 years, and then I've been in the insurance industry for over 20 years now. In the going on 3 years that I've been in the life insurance industry, this has been the most profitable, the most successful, and just the happiest that I've been with the consistent lead flow instead of having the ups and downs of all the other lead platforms that we've used in the past. The consistent cash flow that was coming in, and then also just the steady profitability of my business. It's really helped to take me and my agency to the next level.
I was committed to coming to this event because I was committed to actually making a change in my business. And I was tired of the same old thing, so there was no choice for me not to come. The most important thing that I've got from AJC to this date is just implementing real systems and processes that actually make you a business owner.